I'm making cookies.
Well, good for you.
So that you can help me make a gingerbread house. And wear a Santa hat.
Not today, now.
What do you mean not today?
You gotta bake all that stuff before you can put a gingerbread house together.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to bake the cookies today, and then tomorrow night we'll decorate it because we got to go out and get some candy.
Gotta go out and get candy.
Yeah.
Why?
Because we need candy to put on the gingerbread house.
What kind of candy?
Like jujubes.
Oh.
It's not on the floor. It's on the counter. I'm not done cooking yet, so...
What's that?
You probably
Are
don't
you
wanna...
cooking more rice?
I might be.
What the hell?
Oh,
What's wrong?
nothing.
I was wondering where all the tip money went. I said it's because of me that all the delivery people love you.
Oh, jeez. I gotta walk this way to the door.
No. See the halo?
Yeah, see the halo?
Yeah, it's perfect, Mom. It's a perfect halo.
What?
You guys are silly.
Why?
I don't know why. You just are, is all.
There's a certain word for people like her.
Crazy?
Well, besides that.
Oh, did the right candy come?
Candy came.
The right
We got gummies, which are pretty big. I'll probably have to chop them into pieces because they're like huge. And then there's these. I didn't open them.
What are they?
They're jujubes.
They're pretty big too.
Pretty big too. So I might have to cut down. And then there's M&Ms. And I'm gonna make multicolored desserts, icings.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Well, you can put whatever.
it is what it is.
Yeah.
Dave and I are gonna have so much fun.
I'm busy. I'm doing garbage today.
Well, you're probably not gonna do that tonight, are you?
Yeah.
She's getting ready.
Put them together? Put it together?
Well, why not?
Well, I got busy things to do.
Like what? Play your game?
Yes?
Take the garbage out.
Take the garbage out?
Well, first I gotta roll and cook the cookies. So I need to preheat the oven.
Melissa watched the video,
Which video?
the one of the unveiling of the pictures.
Oh, did she?
She said she got tears in her eyes. I
Aww.
don't think she ever said anything on the video though. I didn't see a thing there. But
Mother's pride.
yeah.
Well, wait till you see what I got today. Hang on and I'll show you.
I'm going that direction.
No, stay there.
Is this going to be an opening occasion? Oh, it's your hat? You going to open it in front of the camera?
I will. So this.
Oh,
see.
have you been filming all this time?
Yeah.
Oh, brother, me's
So-
just standing here waiting.
This is from Kastner Auctions. And here, you'll have to hold it. Well, I get a knife.
She's just got a knife, and I just finished accusing her of elder abuse. I shouldn't have done that.
You shouldn't have done that. So these were from an auction that I watched a couple of weeks ago from, again, the Archbold family. They seem to be featured in our videos this week. Oh dear. That's full of packing peanuts. Ah, you must have known it was coming to me. old-fashioned pipe. Because occasionally I like to smoke a pipe.
We won't tell you what's in it.
And this is fabulous, and I'm going to use it for my draw on, oh my gosh, it's a heck of a garment bag. Da, da, da. Does it suit me to a T? I think it's perfect. I'm going to use it to draw the name out of for my winner for Let's Make Soup Wars. And then the other thing I got this. So it is cutouts for making your own cookies, and it even shows you on the back here what all of them are for, and made in China, sorry. But I'm going to try to put together this from sugar cookie dough because my dear sweet darling husband he does not like gingerbread. So when it came to making a gingerbread house, he had absolutely no interest in making a gingerbread house. I personally don't care for those kits. I've tried them once or twice and have been badly disappointed because it ends up being stale, disgusting cookies. You get it out of those kits. It's like they made them last year kind of thing, right? So I don't care for those. Aw, man. Is it obvious that I don't know what I'm doing?
What's wrong?
Oh, look at it sticking.
Put flour on it.
I did. Apparently not enough, though.
Yeah, I ain't gonna worry about building nothing.
What do you mean you're not going to worry about building nothing?
I figured there ain't gonna be any building material.
What, you think I can't do this?
Well, so far.
I'm batting 1,000. Okay, well, let's see what we can do. I've got one cookie sheet in here. And then I'll go and get the other one before I roll this up again. I think it's thin enough. Now, I need 2 of these big ones. Oh man, it's stuck all over the place on the counter. Ah! Okay. Alrighty. Now, I think, well, let's see how, no, they don't want to peel up very easily, so I'm gonna come in here with this.
What the hell are you doing?
Well, they're stuck. So I'm trying to unstuck them. This is gonna be the roof, honey. Shh.
Shh. Yeah, shh is right.
It'll be fine.
Did you put flour down on the counter?
Yes.
It don't look like it.
Well, I did.
You know, I used to watch my mom and grandma do that stuff, and I never saw them have that much trouble. What the hell?
I don't know, honey. I don't really know what I'm doing. In case you didn't know
Did you
that.
try it? I was going to say, did you try what do they call it? Well, that's real sanitary.
Well, I cleaned the counter before You know what I need, though, is one of those great big 2 foot by 2 foot butcher blocks. that I can do things like baking and rolling dough out on. And
Did you ever? Oh, no.
did I ever what?
Nothing.
I never did anything.
Okay.
Did I ever wash the counter? Yes. Is that what you're wondering? Is if I wash the counter or not? Huh?
No. Yeah, go ahead.
It's the same thing I'm putting on top of it. Do you think I'm going to stop and like sanitize the counter between every rollout?
Oh, hell, we wouldn't want to do that.
Exactly. We wouldn't want to do
My
that.
God, you know. We might not catch something.
And we want to, for sure.
Can you keep it on the counter, though?
I can try.
Yeah, there. Never mind. Oh, God.
So, it's time to build the gingerbread house. But look at who's here playing bed warmer for a kitten. Can you even see the kitten in there? She blends right in.
You get her?
I get her, but I don't know if it's got all pixelated. It was weird. There, now you can see that it's a cat.
She's down for the couple hours.
She's
anyway.
down for a couple of hours, so there's not going to be any cake decorating.
Cake.
Or cookie decorating.
She's getting upset.
Oh, she's getting upset. So if I can get Dave to look up here and say, Happy Vlogmas, day 23.
Happy Vlogmas Day 23.
Good
Cute way
job.
of putting a hat on. God.
Why didn't you see it in video?
Oh,
Do you want to actually put it on instead?
no, that's fine.
No? Okay.
That's what you want. That's what you
It looks,
get.
it looks kind of funny.
Yeah, I
I wonder
bet.
if I can get a different angle.
A different name.
It looks like it's like huge on your head.
Oh, the crap I gotta put up with.
So tomorrow for Christmas Eve, right, we're going to decorate.
If you say so.
Okay, I'm going to go put those cookies away for now.
Okay.
All right. I'll give you a quick update on the garden here. So these, I've got a bunch of sprouts. I've got a little tomato back there. And my kohlrabi has sprouted. Both of my cauliflowers have sprouted now. And all 3 of my cabbage. No spinach, no celery yet, but I'm not surprised at that. And then, did I tell you that I transplanted a bunch of stuff? These are my bonsais now. And so we'll see. I need to do some research on them because I know nothing. I thought I had gotten Dave a book when I got him this bonsai kit, but apparently I didn't. And then let's see, there's our apple tree. And I pulled those 4 peppers that were in that one pot. I pulled them apart, and so I've got 4 Hungarian peppers there. And this is still that little tiny pepperoncini that's struggling along. And of course there is my oregano. So yeah, that's what we got going on in the garden right now. And these are my sugar cookie shapes. Some of them got a little bit overdone because I cooked like big ones with little ones instead of all the big ones together. Which I guess is what you're supposed to do and then do anyway. Yeah, so I've got some pretty dark ones that'll probably not make it through the night. But yeah, I'm going to put these into an airtight container and Dave and I will be decorating them tomorrow. Yes, why are you laughing, Mother?
Because I just ruined the next Curiosity Inc. video for you.
She did. She walked in and she gave away the whole punchline. The whole everything.
Oh, there was one other thing he found he was very, very happy about. even more happy than the money that he found.
Oh, okay.
So I won't tell you what that was.
Thanks.
I'll leave you a secret.
Come on, it's a beautiful Santa hat.
Happy Vlogmas Day number 23. 2 more days and this, 1 more day and this is over. 3 more days. We have to do Boxing Day too? No.
Boxing Day, and wasn't it you who suggested a New Year's vlog?
No, I did not.
I
suggest.
seem to recall that in
I
another
said no.
video.
I said no.
I seem to recall.
No, you have to get back to interesting things.
Interesting things?
Yeah.
Okay.
Of course.